just told my husband, I'm so sorry, I think I have to do some makeup tonight because I somehow figured out how to braid my hair. If you know who this is, then please stick around. If you don't, it's sweeping the nation, the Kpop Demon Hunters. This is Rumi. Attempt some sort of Rumi look because I figured out how to do the hair. And I'm just not sure that I can recreate this like on another day. I have purple hair. She has a purple eyeliner on one scene and then kind of like a shimmer here. We're going to go with that and then try to do the patterns. I did purple in my eyebrows, but I do that all the time. So that's not really anything new for me. This is a Made by Mitchell purple liquid eyeliner. We're going to go really far out, I think. I mean, it's a cartoon, for God's sake. Oh, yeah. We need dramatic. Space Cowboy. Urban Decay. Oh, yeah, baby. Look at that. This is one of my favorite glitter liners. I don't think it went all the way. I need to check the picture. So, of course, I didn't let it dry, and my glitter has gone up on my hooded eyes. You know, it's a very neutral eye, but you got heavy eyeliner, a little bit of the glitter. I kind of used a little bit of one of the Urban Decay liquid eyeshadows to kind of make it pop a little bit more. Just a heavy black and gray on the bottom. This is the Colossal Bubble Maybelline. I don't want to do like a big crazy fake lash, but I feel like I need a little something. Classic Kylie Winter Kiss. There's not a lot of blush, you know, but I just need a little something here, but nothing too crazy. Kind of natural, right? Natural. Little kimchi powder, blend it all together. Look at these earrings. I thought these are perfect. Hers are more spear at the end, but these I thought go with the vibe. And wait till you see the jacket. I have the perfect jacket. It's like a ringmaster jacket, but it's exactly what she would wear. I think what I can use for the patterns, I have this purple from liners, but then I have this one from Mayron. It's like a UV, so I can maybe put that on top and then use a black light. I don't know. I know this is not her shirt, but I needed something with kind of a turtleneck and like some chain necklaces. Look at this jacket that I have. My son was like, she doesn't wear purple. I was like, I know she doesn't wear it, but I wear purple and it's me. And this is something that she would wear, right? With the spikes. I did kind of a pink lip. This is just Human Nature, Jeffree Star Cosmetics, but it's kind of glossy. I noticed it's kind of glossy. So I have this kind of purpley gloss. That might be too much. Too Faced Kissing Jelly Gloss. I had to. Okay, it's fine. It's totally fine. I still look like her, I think. Together here. It's starting to fall apart. I think I got to tuck it back in. There is a hair piece. My son was like, how did you, and my daughter, how did you get your hair to be so long? I was like, well, it's a hair piece. So there is some fake hair in here. So my real hair is starting to poke out. Do the patterns. I think we're going to go with like these three colors here. There's kind of Shifty, the LEJ. There's one that kind of goes down and then it's like under. Ooh, I like that. Hold on. Yeah, it's like a lightning bolt and then like goes down, right? They're upstairs watching the movie right now. And then I'll just run up there as Rumi. Oh, yeah. Checking in. I think it's not terrible. She's also got some, you know, coming up from her neck and, you know, out the side. I think it looks okay. No. And it's so funny. My kids are watching it upstairs right now. My daughter's so cute. She's 4. And she loves all the songs. We listen to them in the car. She was like, I want to sit on your knee and watch you do it. I was like, oh, sweet angel. I would love that, but I can't focus and I'll mess up. So I'll let you know when I'm done. She had one coming around. And then this one here. Did go ahead and add some of the Mayron. This is the UV. It's called Dark Matter. Only on this side, because on the photo, this is the side that's like glowing. So it's basically like invisible until you put a black light on it, which is really cool. So I already have like all that other paint on there. And I kind of brought it up, you know, from my neck. This one right here is a really sharp turn. So I wanted to kind of make sure and hit that like it is on her. But the other ones, like, you just kind of, you know, don't be real precise with it. Let me find my black light and get my jacket. And I think we're, like, done here. I'm so excited to go show my kids. Oh, my God. Final look with the black light. Look, see? Ooh. Ah. Microphone. Golden. Well, purple, but You know what I mean. Do you love the show? We watch it all the time. We listen to the songs in the car. It's a bop. If you haven't given a chance yet, if you're, you might be grossed out. There, I mean, there's some, some violence and, that kind of stuff. But my kids are fine. Like, they love it. They love Halloween, so we're into it. Anyway, I highly recommend. Here's Rumi. Now I need to learn some of the dances. I want to learn the soda pop dance. Soda pop. But I can't do it in this outfit because that just doesn't work. I could do the... All right, thanks for watching. My name's Amber Wood, over 40 Makeup Mom. Bye.